Good morning, you guys. What's up, you guys? Happy Wednesday. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. So yeah, I'm starting the vlog a little bit late today. I mean, it's not that late, it's about 10:30. Today is my day off from work, so I did sleep in a little bit today. So instead of waking up at 6 o'clock, I woke up at 7:30, which was lovely. Although I found that I didn't really sleep that well last night. Like, I don't know, for some reason every time I have like a day off the next day, I never sleep good the night before. I'm not sure if it's because like I'm anxious about the day off or something. I don't know, but anyways, I did not sleep that well last night. But anywho, I woke up this morning at 7:30 and I had my workout. You guys, I had such a good workout today. It was a really good workout. I burned 405 calories in 45 minutes, so I went hard. I'm doing really well. If you guys want like actual like weight loss updates and stuff, just let me know. Drop me a comment down below and I can do little updates and stuff. I've been doing the intermittent fasting and it's been going really great so far. Like, the scale has moved significantly since Monday and today's Wednesday. I know all of it is going to be water weight and everything, but I'm glad that the scale is moving, so that is good. So yeah, I had a really good workout, and then I used the morning. After my workout, I just started cleaning up a little bit. So I used the morning to tidy up and everything, so I don't have that to worry about later, and then I won't have that to worry about on the weekend. So, you know, I cleaned up the kitchen, vacuumed the kitchen, cleaned up Shania's room, vacuumed her room, cleaned the bathroom, vacuumed the bathroom. Our room is okay. Like, I do have some laundry I have to put away, so I'm probably gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to put away my laundry that I did on, when did I do my laundry? I think I did my laundry Monday afternoon, so I still have those clothes that I need to put away. So I'm gonna do that, and I am going to work on editing some videos. I have a video that is going live in about 30 minutes, so make sure you guys go and check it out. For you guys, this video would have been posted last week, so make sure you guys go and check out that video. I'm gonna link it here on the screen and up in the card section as well, so you guys can check that out if you guys haven't already. And then I'm going to edit some other videos that I have that need to be edited so I can schedule those. And then as of next week, I want to start posting my daily vlog. So I like to use my Wednesdays, my day offs, as like content preparation day, content filming day, content editing day, like everything for social media I like to do today. So I'm gonna spend some time in the morning to edit some videos, go through comments, all of that stuff, check out my analytics. The sun like just went behind the clouds. I feel like the whole lighting has just changed. But yeah, I'm good. I use Wednesdays as like my YouTube, Instagram day. So I don't know what content I'm going to film today, but I'm definitely going to like edit some things and stuff. And then my mother-in-law said she wanted to come spend the day with us as well today, so she is going to be coming over. So I'm going to go pick her up at around 12 o'clock or 12:30. That gives me about 2 hours to get some like YouTube-y stuff done. And then there's a few things I want to pick up on the road too, so I might just go to Walmart when I go to pick her up. I'm not entirely sure yet though. I'll have to figure it out. There's a few things that I want to pick up on the road, so I just want to, you know, when I'm on the road, do all the things I need to do on the road, so when I come back in, I'm just home. I'm also thinking about what to do for dinner, because I didn't get the salmon yesterday when I was in the grocery store, and I really wanted to get salmon because I want to make salmon. I've never made salmon before, but for some reason I really want to make some salmon, so I wasn't able to get that. So I might just stop at Walmart when I'm on the road. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I switched up the wig today. I'm wearing this straight wig that I made. I have a video all about this hair already on my channel, so I'll link it for you guys to see. I don't mind if it's straight because I'm loving the straight hair vibes. Like, what do you guys think? You think I'm cute with straight hair? Let me know what you guys think. The sun has come back out, so now the lighting is kind of different. It's a lot brighter now. So yeah, that is what the morning is looking like at this point in time. I'm going to go on my laptop and get some YouTube stuff done, make sure everything's good for that video that's going live today. My monetization, all that stuff is good to go. And then I'm gonna post that, and then I'm gonna see if I can even upload a video to schedule to post on the weekend or so as well. So that is what I need to work on. I'm even still have on my like workout clothes attire, because right after I finished my workout I got into cleaning, and I'm like, okay, this can be like an addition to my workouts. I kept on my sweet set waist trimmer, I kept on my sweet set waist trimmer, and I still have on my sports bra and everything. And so I've been busy this morning. It's been very productive, and I've only been up for like 3 hours. because I woke up at 7:30. So I've been very productive. I'm very happy. I'm not feeling that hungry as yet, which is good. So the intermittent fasting is becoming easier and easier as the days go on. But I am drinking my lemon water, and I'm probably just gonna drink a meal replacement when 12 o'clock comes, since that's the time I kind of want to go on the road. So yeah, that is what the morning is looking like. So yeah, it's Shania here, who is doing her schoolwork this morning. We did get her some new workbooks. I think I showed that to you guys on Monday. But she's doing some printing here. So she's doing A's, and now she's moving on to her B's. So she's sitting here at the table. I'm gonna sit here at the table and get some editing and stuff done. So yeah, I'm pretty much sitting here. I'm gonna be on my laptop trying to get some editing and stuff done, because you know, we need to make sure we stay ahead of the game, trying to stay consistent with posting my videos and stuff. I also need something to hold up my camera. I think I was talking to you guys about this on Monday in another vlog, where I need to get a new like tripod vlog holder thing. So there was one that I saw on Amazon that I really liked. I even put it in my cart already. It's the Manfrotto. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the mini tripod. It looks like this on Amazon. This is what it looks like. It's $25. So I am thinking of ordering this. I said it'll come tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna order this today, and then and yeah, I think I might order that today. $24.99, but in order to get my Prime I need $25. So I'm gonna try to find something really cheap to add on to my order, so that I can get my free 2-day shipping or 1-day shipping. So I'm gonna search under $5 on Amazon to try to find something to add to it, because I really don't need anything like crazy or anything. I just need something really light. So let me see what they have here in their under $5 section. They have masks, they have cereal, they have Rice Krispie squares.
Cereal?
Yeah, they have cereal here, but I'm not looking for that. Oh, they have vitamin C gummies. I don't really need vitamin C vitamins, because I'm already taking my regular vitamin.
Not taking my own vitamins.
And you have your own vitamins too.
Yes.
So that's not something that I necessarily need.
Yeah.
They have candy, they have toothbrushes, Pringles, deodorant, sharpeners, lotion.
Lotion? We don't need lotion.
Oh, I need a new edge brush. Let me see how much their edge brushes are, because you guys, I'm trying to learn how to do my edges. But I wanted a new edge brush. So let me see how much they have their edge brushes for, if they're cheap and if they're on Prime, so I can get it real soon. I want something that's like $5. So okay, this is a pack of 4 for $10, but I don't need a pack of 4. So let's see. I find that a lot of these things are like in bundles. Like, who wants 4 edge brushes? I just want 1. They don't sell it as just 1. This is weird.
Maybe they only had 1 more left and they forgot that somebody might want 1 more left.
I don't even know why. It's like they have this here, but it's a pack of 4 and it's $10. It's $10.99. But like, I don't need 4, a pack of 4. This is what it looks like on Amazon. So it's a pack of 4 edge brushes here. But I don't need 4.
Mommy.
But it looks big. And it has like a smoother side also. Oh, the brush head is pretty big. Okay, maybe I'll just add that. I'm trying to get in, since I'm getting into the wig thing anyways, I think it'll be beneficial if I have a proper edge brush. But for $10 though, like, I feel like that's a bit much. So I'm looking here, I see this like leave-in conditioner by Aussie. I guess I could do that. It's $2.49, so I could probably just add that to my order. I went back and started searching for the under $5 stuff again. Oh, Shania needs a toothpaste. Oh no, but I'm gonna get that from the dollar store when we go on the road later.
Yeah.
I don't need an exfoliant. I already have. I'm probably just gonna add that leave-in conditioner because it just makes the most sense, and it's something that I could probably actually use in my hair and stuff. So I'm probably just gonna go with that because I don't see anything else. Vaseline. Do I need Vaseline? You know what? I'm gonna get Vaseline because the Vaseline that I have is almost done. So I'm just gonna add this Vaseline to it. It is $3.67. The Vaseline that I have is almost finished. I'm just gonna order this because I actually need some Vaseline. So perfect. I can add this to my order and make this purchase. So now my total is $28.66, which is perfect because now I can get my free 1-day shipping. So let me just finish my order here and make sure everything is good to go. Make sure it's free 1-day shipping. Yes, it'll come tomorrow. Yep, this is perfect. Everything is good to go here. So cool. So we just made this order. Perfect. So that is ordered and ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here on my laptop and do some editing and all that stuff, and I will tune back in with you guys later. Okay, so update. I am here sitting at my couch. You guys, I got into my laptop to edit my video. I'm trying to edit this video that I recorded a little while back. It's a video of me cleaning my kitchen, and that video is just hell to edit just because I have to fast forward sections. Like, it's just watch me clean my kitchen, and so a lot of it is fast forwarded, and then I have to like edit it because like it took the whole day, and obviously I'm not posting a long video. I need this video to be like 10 minutes. So it's just a hell to edit, and then my laptop is going hella slow. So I'm like, okay, let me just restart my laptop and then I'll start working on it. So then I put it to restart, and it's taking forever to restart because it claims it needs to update. So then I'm like, okay, let me just sit in the couch and like watch a video while it's doing its thing. And it's been a long time now. The laptop done restarted and ready for me to start back. It's probably gone into idle or sleep mode by now. And I've just been here watching YouTube videos. I'm here watching Janelle Wright here on YouTube. If you guys are following her, make sure you guys go and follow her. She lost over 100 pounds in her weight loss journey, and she documented the whole thing. So I love watching her, and she also lives in the GTA, so she is a local YouTuber, so I gotta support. And she has a new vlog series on her channel right now talking about getting back into her weight loss journey. So make sure you guys go watch that. So yeah, I'm sitting here real comfortable in my couch watching her video, and I'm honestly just not in the mood to edit. Granted, it's not even 12 o'clock yet, so I mean I still have the rest of the day to edit. But like I really wanted to like get some editing done this morning, but I'm not in the mood, and if I'm not in the mood, like my editing is just not gonna come out good. So you kind of have to, you know, run with your feelings. So yeah, it's almost 12 o'clock, so I'm going to check in with my mother-in-law to see like what time she wanted to come over. We had originally scheduled for around 12 o'clock, so I'm just going to check in with her if we're still working with that time, and then I'm gonna get myself ready to get on the road and make a list of the things that I want to pick up, because I want to go into Walmart and I want to go into the dollar store. So I need to make a list of all the things that I want to do when I'm on the road, and then pick her up, and then they come here. I'll probably just get Shania some to eat for lunch. I'm gonna just walk with my meal replacement drink because I'm not cooking anything right now, so I'm just gonna have my meal replacement drink. And yeah, so yeah, I've just been sitting here for the past like 20 minutes watching YouTube videos. And my video just went live as well. I did a video of my everyday makeup routine, so if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you guys go watch that video. Go watch it now. I'll have it linked up in the card section here for you guys. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, I will tune in with you guys once we are heading in the car. I'm probably gonna text her right now and see what she's up to. Where's my phone? My phone is over there charging. I'm gonna text her and see what she's up to, and then get myself in order to go on the road. I'm not even putting on nothing special. Like, I'm just gonna put on a t-shirt and that's it. Nothing fancy. I ain't trying to look cute today. Today's a non-cute day for me. Oh, should I go to the hair store? Ooh, baby girl, do not go to the hair store. Ooh, do not. I might go to the hair store. I might go to the hair store. Because this same like brand of hair that I have, I think they have curly textures, so I could just like make my own curly wig. Ooh, you guys, going to the hair store is, I could like, going to the hair store is like going to Costco for me. Like, I can never go into the hair store and just pick up the one item I went in there for. I end up seeing everything else that I want, and my bill is like $100, and I'm not trying to do that today. Like, I should not be spending more than $40 in the hair store if I'm going to the hair store, because these like full pack weave sets that come with like the bundles and the closure usually cost me like $30. So I should not be spending more than $40 in the hair store. Am I really gonna go to the hair store? Oh, you guys, I might end up going to the hair store. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Baby girl, get it together. Okay, so I'm probably gonna go to the hair store so I can make my curly wig, and I can make a curly wig later so that I have my 3 wigs that I can just go and like switch it up with. I have my straight, I have a longer straight. That is the plan, y'all. That is the plan. All right, you guys, so we are in the car. We're finally out on the road. We got Shania in the back over there. I am not going to be holding this the whole time. I really need to get some type of mount or something, because this ain't it. I can't be just holding up my hand like this and I need to drive. And I don't want no police to stop me and tell me that I'm distracted driving and get some big old ticket. Ain't nobody trying to do all that. So I need to really try to find like some type of mount so I could like mount you guys like right here. This would be perfect. So anyways, I'm about to go pick up my mother-in-law, and then once I pick her up, we're going to go to the hair store, because she also said she needs something from the hair store too, which is very convenient. So we'll both go to the hair store. Hopefully I can find some curly hair, cheap curly hair, because I'm not trying to spend no big money. See if I can find some good hair so I can just make my own wig. And then we're gonna go to the dollar store, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then we're just gonna come back to the house. So hopefully I can finish all of this in an hour and a half or so.
Because we have to get some more toothpaste.
Yeah, we're gonna get your toothpaste from the dollar store, and there's some other things that I want from the dollar store too, for like a little DIY thing that I'm trying to do at home. So yeah, that is what we're doing. So once we get somewhere, I will tune in back with y'all. So yeah, see you guys later. Oh, also I have my little meal replacement drink here that I'm drinking. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but I have my little meal replacement drink that I'm drinking. I don't want to buy anything on the road. If I get really hungry, then maybe I'll try to find like a salad or something on the road to eat, but for now I'm just gonna drink my meal replacement, and I think it'll keep me for now, so hopefully it does. I'm just gonna pick up something for Shania to eat on the road. So yeah, I will tune in with you guys later on when we get somewhere. All right guys, so I was supposed to come back and check in with y'all like a while back, but I didn't. But anyways, we went on the road and I came back. I did go to the hair store, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I picked up, because I was able to find some hair for the low, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a curly wig. So this is the hair that I got from the hair store. It's by Sensational, and it's their like premium 2 brand. It's the boutique bundles 1 pack complete 3 multi-length bundle special plus parting. So this is what the hair looks like. So I did get a curly texture like I said I wanted to get. I got their deep curly. It's just called deep, so I'm assuming it's their deep curly, but this is what the picture of the girl looks like on it. That's what it looks like. This hair also comes with parting space. It comes with how much parting space is it? 4 inches of parting space, which is very similar to this wig that I have. This one is 5 inches. This is going to be 4 inches, and the length of the hair is 18, 20, and 22 inch. So it is going to be a long one, but it is curly hair, so it's not going to fall as long, but the length is there. So I'm really excited to try this. This pack was $29.99, so I spent $30 on this hair. And like I told you guys before, I did not want to spend more than 40 bucks in the hair store. Ooh, that might have been a little bit too bright. Let me close the window. I did not want to spend more than $40 in the hair store, and I spent 41. So I stayed within my budget. So I did pick up a mesh dome cap, because this is what I use to make my wig. So that's just what that looks like. And then remember how this morning I wanted to get an edge brush to add to my Amazon order, but all of them were like super expensive. So I did find one in the beauty supply store. So it has like the, like, you know, like the rat tail comb end, the metal end of the comb. So it has it on this side, which is perfect for when you want to lay down your lace when you're applying a lace. And then it comes with a comb, and it comes with a nice thick brush, and it's hard bristle brush. So I feel like this will really help with my edges. So this is what it looks like, and then this is what the end of it looks like. So I'm very happy with this. This was like $1.99 or $2.99 or something. So yeah, that is what I bought from the hair store. I also went to the dollar store, and I picked up a few things from the dollar store as well. And I went to Walmart. I was finally able to get my salmon. I got my salmon from Walmart, but I'm gonna try to make it today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make my salmon today for dinner. I'm probably gonna do salmon and rice and corn. I might have to Google what goes well with salmon. I'm definitely gonna do rice for sure for Jermaine and Shania, but for myself, I don't know what side I'm gonna do as yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do like corn on the cob or if I should just do my mix of veggies again. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But anywho, I just wanted to come back and check in with y'all and let you guys know what I got from the hair store. And I'm gonna be trying to make that wig. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I might just do it on the weekend, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm just chilling. I did buy some McDonald's on the road for Shania. Did pick up my mother-in-law as well, so they are here. And then I got nuggets for myself at McDonald's. No fries or anything, just nuggets, which is okay because it's keto. That's keto friendly or low carb friendly, so I just had nuggets. And I actually picked up this in Walmart, the Premier Protein drink. I hear a lot of people talking about it, but I've never tried it for myself. So I did buy 2 because Walmart had a special where if you buy 2 cases, you get them for $18 versus getting each one for 10 something. So I did get the caramel flavor. So I do want to try it out to see if it tastes good because I literally just had my nuggets and it's already 2:45, and so I just had the 10 nuggets and that was it. And I still feel a little bit hungry, so I do want to try this out. It does says you should serve it cold, but this is going to be room temperature because I just got back home and I want to try it. So I'm going to do a little taste test for you guys and see. This tastes really good, but this definitely would taste better cold. So I'm going to go pop it in the freezer for a few minutes so it can get really cold, because this is one of those things that you want to drink cold. It does say serve cold, so I should have just known better. So yeah, that is my little update for now, and I will tune in back with you guys a little bit later on when something new is going on. So yeah, okay guys, so it is much later now. It is like 10 o'clock at this point, and I did not come back on the vlog, you guys. My evening just got pretty hectic and kind of busy. My mother-in-law was here, so we were chilling and watching TV and watching Greenleaf. If you guys are watching Greenleaf, comment down below, let me know if you like Greenleaf. I love Greenleaf, so we were streaming it online and just chilling and all that stuff. You want to come say hi? Come say hi. Come back. Come back. Okay, just come and do like a wave. Just come. Nobody will even see you. Just put your hand through the door. Just put your hand through the door. Oh my god. Anyways, if you guys are watching Greenleaf, let me know. So yeah, we were just chilling watching Greenleaf and just, you know, just vibing and chit-chatting and just enjoying each other's company. And so yeah, I did not come back on the vlog, and then I started cooking as well, you guys. My dinner tonight was, okay, they call me Chef Girl R. Ashley because, you know, your girl's a chef. I made salmon, finally got the salmon, and it came out so good. I don't even know why I've been sleeping on salmon all this time. I've never made salmon before. I barely really eat salmon. Anytime I have seafood, it's usually like snapper fish or shrimp or something like that. But you guys, the salmon was so good. So I made salmon, I made rice, I made shrimp. I sauteed some garlic butter shrimp on the side, and then I also made mixed vegetables. I really wish I recorded it, but I was just in my groove, and me and my mother-in-law were watching the TV show, and I was just busy, so I didn't get to vlog that stuff. But I'll definitely do another video showing me how I make that for dinner because it came out really good. So yeah, it's pretty late. Shania is in the bathtub right now. I'm giving her a bath, or she's giving herself a bath. And then I'm gonna get ready for bed myself. So all in all, it was a good day. I wasn't as productive as I wanted to be in terms of editing and all that stuff, but you know what, we'll try again tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick to end off the vlog. I think today's vlog is really short because I did not get that much footage, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And enjoy, you guys. That is pretty much it from me, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.